So you are looking for 3D models, but you have no idea where to find them. Well, maybe in this video, by the end of the video, you will know exactly where to look for if you are looking for some inspiration for your 3D printer. Right here on Zachary 3D Prints. Let's dive right in. Hey, Zach here, and welcome to this video. I have been there where you are at this moment. You have printed all the models that were on the SD card or on the USB thumb drive. Where to find some amazing cool models? Back then in 2018, 2019, I was using Thingiverse and my mini factory to find most of the models. But nowadays, you have so many websites where you can find amazing 3D models to continue printing, because that is the reason why you bought your brand new 3D printer. Let's dive right into Printables and I'll show you all the good, juicy stuff right here. And so here we are at the front page, the home page of Printables. Printables is a very universal site when it comes to 3D models. You can find anything, and there are a lot of other things besides downloading models you can find. First off, we have here on the top, we have different kind of things like models. We have store where you can actually buy the model per model. And there are so many choices, so many models where you can pay just for the model itself. Like here for Starship, $5, and you pay for only this model. There are some other models as well where you can pay around the 50 euros for. I don't know where the limit is, but let's say like the sky is the limit. So there's a lot of things you can find here. Cosplay, some miniatures, some RC planes. You find whatever your heart desires. And like mentioned in the intro, Printables is a nice place to start getting some inspiration for your next 3D model or your 3D project to continue your journey into 3D printing. Then we have also, if you like a certain designer, you have also something called clubs. Clubs are basically you pay the creator, the designer, every month a amount of money and can become a club member by clicking the join button. So every month you pay for this creator or this designer and you will have access to their models. Then we have something called community. Community is I think something like a kind of social media thing, but then on Printables. Here you find different kind of things from designers that I'm following at this moment. Very cool, amazing thing to get some nice feedback. If you are a designer and you have a lot of models that you designed yourself, you can also opt in for the 3D design contest, challenging yourself into designing something that suits the specific kind of content that is running. So smart pet gadgets with Arduino, a coffee corner, and then some other things like, Benji remixes and other things. I have also competed in one of the contests with some ice scraper for the windows of your car. It is a lot of fun, and if you win something, you will get some points for your account. Prusa meters. Then we have also brands, companies that are joining Printables. You can find some spare parts that you can actually 3D print at home. How cool and amazing is that? So Festool, iFixit, Worth, Wiesemann. There are a lot of brands in different kind of spaces, even Cooler Master. So if you are a computer nerd or a computer enthusiastic, then you can find some amazing things there. Or maybe Crosshair, Micro Center. There are a lot of brands that are joining and providing the things that they are known for. Then we get also events. So if you visiting events for 3D printing, you can find the people of Prusa, you can find on many of the events, and they will be mentioned right in the tab of events. Then we have something like groups. If you are familiar with Facebook groups, I think that this is something very similar. I visit Printables mainly for downloading STL files to print, but I can imagine if you are scrolling over the site or discovering the website Printables, you can find a lot of things that might be very interesting and also kickstarting your journey into 3D printing. Many things you can find here, whether it is also from different 3D printing brands or like the Dutch guys or IKEA solutions, it's all in here as well. Then we have also education. If you like to spark STEM for your kids or learn different kind of things with education, you can find a lot of models here as well. And then we have also the Prusa eShop. Basically, you are going to be redirected to the Prusa website. That's not what we are going to cover right here. So let's dive into the models and let's see what you can get right here. On the left side, we have a lot of categories for 3D 3D printing, art and design, costumes and accessories, basically cosplay. You can also find some fashion, gadgets, healthcare, hobby and makers, household, learning, seasonal designs, sports and outdoors, tabletop miniatures, toys and games, world and scans. I mean, like, if you see all the categories, you know exactly where you can start. If you have a thing with, you know, some nice figurines, or you want to print some bust, you can find them under the section like tabletop and miniatures. I always go to the page trending and scroll over it and see if there are some amazing stuff. And this is basically TikTok for looking for new models. You keep scrolling and like, oh, that is cool. Oh, that is cool. And you keep going and you find some amazing ideas for your next 3D print job to do. Or maybe project can also be. So how does it work? Well, I usually go to hold the Control key and click on tab or the title. And then you have here a model, Easy Dummy 13. You have the picture. If you click on the picture, you can go over it. Yeah, this is what bigger size. This is the 3D viewer where you can see how the model will be printed. It can also happen that you have multiple parts of a model. Then it shows one of the models. And here, if you see here, these are the model files. So you can look in the 3D viewer how one part is looking like. And then you have also some other pictures as well. It all depends what the designer does. Then we have here description. If you are familiar with Thingiverse or some other STL file sharing sites, then you have a full description, what it is, what it does, what maybe the print setting is. If you scroll a little bit further, here are some tags. Model origin, dummy 13 from Sousaphone, Creative Commons, attribution. Then we have also the license. The license says exactly what you can or cannot do. Here you can find everything for the model. Here are the files. You can send it to EasyPrint. Printables is working on it to slice a model directly from the site and send it to your Prusa 3D printer that is connected to Wi-Fi or to LAN. You can open with Prusa Slicer, open in Orca Slicer, open in Ultimate Cura, and open in Bamboo Studio. It all depends which kind of slicing software that you have. I thought I saw more, but they have here the option to open it in whatever slicing software you have. Very nice inclusion instead of exclusion. And then also here to download on your desktop or your laptop and put it in a folder where you can organize all your STL files for printing your next model or project. We have here also makes and comments. People can here add their makes and their comments as well, highlighting it and sharing it directly from, I think, mobile phone and also PC, giving you amazing benefits. Different kind of things you can find right here. This is my personal profile. I'm currently at level 11. I've got 600 downloads, people downloading my files. Here we have also the badges. This is pretty cool. Depends on what you do. You can earn badges and those badges are leveling up every single time. So that is cool. Yeah, here you have it. I'm also designing my own models still. Trying to do that. So we have here supporter, continuous support, contest winner. I didn't win any contest. Printables Maniac, Prusa podcast guest. I wasn't there yet, but here information and everything else you should know. Yeah, so for me, like mentioned, I do like Printables quite a lot. It's a very versatile website. You can download all the STL or 3MF files. So my honest opinion about Printables, it's if I'm looking for something, you have a search bar right in the top. If I want to search something, I'm using that one. And most of the time, I think 95% of the time, I will find what I'm looking for. And so for me, Printables is my go-to site when I want to print something on my 3D printers, because I find so many cool, amazing models on this site. And of course, there's also Thingiverse, My Mini Factory, Make a World, but those I will cover other videos separately. The link you can find right in the description of this video. Just let me know in the comments, what do you think about Printables? Are you using it or just discover it by watching this video?